Hello, happy January to. Now we just now slice the cake of Sisi of her New Year New Year cake. Oh, and she ate. She want to eat daw, and then also me later because I'm not yet finished. I'm not yet finished cleaning in the bathroom of Madam, in the office and the room of Sisi. Okay. So, hi. Hello. How are you? How are you? Kumusta? Kumusta? How's your New Year day? Everything is okay. Everything is happy. Everything in a good health. Everything in a right place. What I mean right place in different countries that where you are. That you are living there. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you to all subscribers of mine. Shout out to all of you. And thank you also for continued support of my YouTube channel. And thank you also that some of the bloggers, they are still helping me to support that they are part of my journey about of the YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel, in the YouTube company. Thank you very much. And thank you also for everything that you are still watching to my YouTube, to my videos, to the short videos and to the regular videos, and subscribe, share, likes and comments. And thank you also that you are giving a time, patience to watch my old videos. Thank you very much again. Thank you so much as of what I'm saying. Always say thank you talaga because of you. That's what I build. I start building na. It's like a house of my in my YouTube. It's not a house as in house. It's like a house, it's like a part of my journey that I have already some subscriber of mine. Thank you very much. And to all watching of my old videos. Thank you very much talaga. God will be provide everything for you. What you need every day in your daily life while you are living in this earth. And that we are still here sa buong mundo. In this world, kumbaga pa, buong mundo kung sa Tagalog pa. And because she know, and she is the only who knows about us. Okay, so he is the one to provide the one, all of what you are doing, all of what that you are giving me time, giving me chance to support of my YouTube channel. God knows everything that one. Okay, so thank you very much again. Always say thank you talaga. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. No, I'm just what's that? I'm just expressing everything that what I have almost to say thank you, because that is from you. That is from your individual self, kumbaga, that you are giving me. Your heart is giving love, support and time to effort to watch my videos that what I have. Okay, so thank you again. That's what I'm telling always. Thank you very much. And keep safe lagi. All of us in different countries that they subscribe from the different countries that you subscribe in my YouTube channel. Keep safe wherever you are, whatever you do, what standard life that you have. Always remember that keep safe. Health is very important to all of us. Even we have sick, even me nga, I have a maintenance already. We must still take care. Don't make stress. Don't make yourself be selfish. You know why? Because life is so good. Life is so important to all of us, and life that is from God given to us, to one of us. And we are very lucky because we are still here, living in these different countries. And different situation, different what we are doing, different work, different standard of our living. Okay? We are lucky. Rich, not rich, regular standard of living, or normal. We are the same. We are the same from Son of God. And God always will be provide everything of us. Maybe because only it's hard also if we are the same. All of us will be the same, diba? How, if we are the same, if all of us is rich, no more housemaid. Okay? I'm not a housemaid maybe. If I'm rich. And some of them also, if they are rich also, maybe no more businessman, businesswoman. This is no more teacher, no more professional, mga workers, if all of us is rich. Okay? So as of what I'm telling, keep safe. That is the most talaga. Keep safe. I am always repeating and repeating and repeating until every videos that I download for you. Keep safe. Keep safe. Good health is the most important each of us. Because God is always with us. Just pray and God knows everything what happened to all of us. That we are belong in the different countries, different kind of peoples. Okay, so just pray and God bless us all. And once again, thank you very much, and happy November too. I'm just now, this one is my new download, new video, because I'm not yet finished nga. So, but I'm telling, I'm not yet finished of my work. Okay, just now because Sisi is asking to eat the cake, the New Year cake daw, so that's why. Okay, very nice. It's very nice. It's from the product of the bakery, the shop of what's the name? How you pronounce that one? Halawani. It's Halawani. It's chocolate cake, and it's not too much. Sabagay, chocolate cake is not too much sweet. And very simply, yeah. Okay, she ate the one slice. Oh, wow. Maybe she liked it because she ate already the one slice. Bye bye. Have a nice day. It's good. Have a nice day because we are not the same time. So I don't know what time in the another countries. At least now in Baghdad is almost, I don't know, even also almost 2 o'clock siguro, 1:30 like this one. It's afternoon already. Okay? So thank you very much. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye. Thank you to all some bloggers that you are continuing helping to me to gain my to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. You know who you are from the beginning until now, and some they are my relatives, some also may mga cousins, may mga friends ko, basta who you are, all the subscriber of mine. Thank you very much that you are still now. Okay, you are still continuing helping and support to me. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you very much. You are not subscriber or not subscriber, thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and comments. say goodbye na, I say bye, I say thank you na. And now always continue talking and talking and talking. Oo na talaga as in. Sige na, dito sa'yo. I'm not yet finished pa my work. Yun again, bye-bye.